Hi, I am Anna. I come from www.ntvforex.com. EUR USD Forecast Seems poised to resume bullish trend. Eurozone PMIs in focus analysis. http ntvforex.com News ID 7994A18212025 1 AM EUR USD reversed an early dip to weekly lows amid some renewed USD selling on Thursday. Investors now look forward to the flash Eurozone PMI prints for some meaningful impetus. Move beyond the January 1900 mark will set the stage for the resumption of the prior bullish trend. The EUR USD pair refreshed weekly lows on Thursday, albeit managed to find decent support near the 1.1800 mark and finally ended near the top end of its daily trading range. The US dollar built on the previous day's goodish bounce led by less dovish FOMC meeting minutes and was seen as one of the key factors behind the pair's early downtick. The attempted USD rebound quickly ran out of the steam following the release of downbeat US macro data, which added to growing concerns about the US economic recovery. Data released on Thursday showed that the Philly Fed Manufacturing Index fell to 17.2 in August as compared to consensus estimates pointing to a reading of 21. Moreover, initial jobless claims unexpectedly rose back above the 1 million mark during the week ended August 14. In fact, the number of Americans filing for unemployment-related benefits jumped to 1106K as compared to 925K expected. Adding to this, a fresh leg down in the U.S. Treasury bond yields exerted some additional pressure on the greenback. On the other hand, the shared currency was underpinned by the fact that the European governments have taken decisive action to support economic growth. Conversely, lawmakers in the U.S. have been struggling to reach consensus over additional stimulus measures, which is another reason that has dampened the appeal to hold the greenback and boosted confidence in the euro. Hence, Friday's release of the flash version of the German and Eurozone PMI prints for August will now be looked upon for some meaningful impetus. Meanwhile, the U.S. economic docket features the release of the preliminary manufacturing and services PMI. The data might influence the USD price dynamics and further contribute to produce some meaningful trading opportunities on the last day of the week. Short-term technical outlook. From a technical perspective, the emergence of some dip buying and the subsequent uptick during the Asian session on Friday suggests that the near-term bullish trend might still be far from being over. A subsequent move back above the January 1900 mark will reaffirm the positive outlook and lift the pair further towards the January 1940-50 supply zone. Some follow-through buying should pave the way for a move to reclaim the key January 2000 psychological mark. The momentum could further get extended and lift the pair towards the 1.2100 level for the first time since April 2018. On the flip side, the 1.184035 region now seems to protect the immediate downside, which is followed by the 1.1800 mark. Failure to defend the mentioned support levels will negate the bullish bias and prompt some technical selling. The pair might then turn vulnerable to extend the corrective slide back towards monthly swing lows support, around the 1.1710 region, with some intermediate support near the 1.1765 area. Subscribe our channel to receive the news as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. If you want to read real-time news, text messages to MT5 Expert Advisors page at https://m.me/mt5.expert.advisors.